Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel edufuturestar. In today's session, we are going to continuing of second unit. Okay, so before that, who are all new to my channel, then please subscribe and hit a bell icon so you will get a notifications of my next videos. Okay, so without wasting a time, come let's start our today's session. See here, reciprocal of fractions. What is meant by reciprocal? The multiplicative inverse of a number is called reciprocal. Multiplicative inverse, we already learned in integers, right? Multiplicative inverse. So see this example here, x by y, reciprocal is what? Y by x, it is just ulta. How can we say this is a multiplicative inverse? Let's see, x by y into y by x. What is the result when we do multiplication of these two? Y get cancelled, x and x get cancelled, we will get 1 as the result. Getting it? So this is called reciprocal. So when we do multiplication of actual number and its reciprocal, we should get 1. Then only we can call it as reciprocal, right? See the example, 5 by 2. What is the reciprocal of 5 by 2? Which is 2 by 5, right? So 2 by 5 is a reciprocal. Next example, minus 3 by 8. What is the reciprocal here? 8 by minus 3. Let's see this one, minus 3 by 8 into 8 by minus 3. Minus get cancelled out. Otherwise you can also say minus into minus is what? Positive, right? So we will get positive. 3 will get cancelled out. 8 and 8 will get cancelled out. So we will get the result as 1. That's why we can call this number as a reciprocal of minus 3 by 8. Same as this, right? So this is what the reciprocal of a fractions. Understood? Now see the third one, division of fractions, right? Here we have first point, whole number divided by fraction. So whole number means what? I am taking a 5. 5 is a whole number and which is divided by a fraction. 3 by 10 is what? Fraction number, right? So 5 is divided by 3 by 10. How can we divide this number? It is very simple. We have to take a 5 and for this 3 by 10, what is the inverse or how can we write this one? Into 10 by 3. So this is just a reciprocal and here we have to keep multiplication symbol. This is what? Simplest form. See friends, how can we use multiplication symbol and also how can we reciprocal it? Is there any behind step? Yes, there is a behind step. I'll show you now. This is what? 5. This is what? Whole number, right? So if there is nothing is there in the denominator means we can also assume that it is 1, right? So let me write it, 5 by 1. This is what? First number. Correct. First number is divided by what? 3 by 10. Right. So this is what the format. So how can we do this one? We have to multiply these two, keep it in the numerator. Right. And also we have to multiply these two, 1 and 3, keep it in the denominator. Getting it? So here, how can we write 5 into 10? How much? 5 into 10. In the denominator, we have 3 into 1. Right? This is what the denominator, correct? That is what I wrote here. 5 by 1 into 10 by 3. Right? So this is how we are getting this format. Right? So now it is easy to multiply. 5 tens are 50, 3 ones are 3. So our result is what? 50 by 3. Finished. Right? Yes friends, see the second now. Fraction divided by a whole number. This is what? Second term. Right? Fraction is there. So that fraction is divided by a whole number. Okay, so first one we solved whole number divided by a fraction. But now we are solving fraction divided by a whole number, right? See, we have a fraction 3 by 4 which is divided by 6, right? How can we write this one? 3 by 4 divided by 6, nothing is there means 1. 6 by 1 is as usual 6, right? It is the same result. So now this format I already showed you, right? How can we write this one? 3 by 4 whole divided by 6 by 1. Multiply these two, keep it in the numerator, and multiply these two, keep it in the denominator. Right? 3 ones are 3, 4 and 6 is there. 4 into 6 we have to multiply, and 3 into 1 we have to multiply, right? So this is what the method I wrote here, 3 by 4 into 1 by 6, right? Now we have a cancelling terms, 3 ones are 3 twos are 3 ones are 3 twos are, right? So here what we are getting, 1 into 1 is what? 1 in the numerator. 4 into 2 is what? 4 twos are 8, 8 is in the denominator. So this is what the result, right? See the third type of question. See here, fraction divided by a fraction. So now we have fraction and the fraction. Simple. So we have to keep as it is 4 by 3 and multiplication symbol and 9 by 8. This number will reciprocal, right? So this is what? 9 by 8, right? Now we can cancel these two, right? 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos is how much? 8, right? So now 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are how much? 9. So here also we have 1. 3 into 1 is what? 3. 2 into 1, 2. So this is what our final result. 3 by 2 is our final result. Understood? So this is fraction divided by fraction. Simple. Okay. See the fourth type of question here. Mixed fraction divided by improper fraction. Right. So we have a mixed fraction number here, and also we have a improper fraction. Right. How can we solve this one? So you have to keep it in mind, whenever you will get a mixed fraction number, that time you have to convert that into improper fraction. Then only you can do a multiplication and also you can do a division, right? So now let's convert this into a improper fraction. I already told you, right? You remember that. So let's do that. 5 fours is what? 20. 20 plus 2 is how much? 22, right? So in the numerator we are getting 22. Denominator is as it is, we have to take, right? So 22 by 5. Here we have division sign. When we are going to divide it, so we can take a multiplication sign, right? What is that? 15 by 14 we will get. Reciprocal it, right? So now we can cancel 5 and 15, right? So 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, right? Now we can cancel these two. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, and 2 sevens is what? 17, right? So what is the final result now here? 11 into 3 is 33, and 1 into 7. So 1 into 7 is what? 7. So this was the result. But we can also simplify this. We can keep this in a mixed fraction result. Okay. So how can we keep this in a mixed fraction result? So basically you can also take like this format. So which format is comfortable to you, that format you can take. Okay. See here, 7 fours is how much? 28, right? 7 fours is what? 28, right? So let's subtract these two. We will get 5 as the remainder, correct? Right? Now we can take the mixed fraction. 7 fours are. So 7 is in the denominator as it is. So 4 is the side value, and 4 sevens is what? 28. For the 28, how much we have to add? We have to add the remainder, right? So we have to add 5. Then only we will get the back step, right? So this is what our final result. Simple. Yes friends, we finished these 3 topics: multiplication of fractions, reciprocal of fractions, and division of fractions. I hope everything is clear to you. So in the next video, I am going to solve exercises. Are you excited to solve exercises? Yes, I am excited too. So let's solve those problems in the next videos. Okay. So until then, keep watching my channel and please support me. And if you like my video, then please like and share it to your family and friends. And who are all new to my channel, then please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you will get a notifications of my next videos. We'll meet you soon. Bye bye.